Hey everyone, welcome to Noo Bear. I'm Monique and today I'm a little bit excited. I am releasing my Noo Bear Shuttle Tatting Starter Kit. How cute are these boxy bags? They are big enough to store your supplies plus the project you're working on at the time, but not so big that they take up all of the room in your bag. Let's go and take a look at what you get in your kit. Inside our tote we have scissors, a crochet hook, both with little handmade pouches. I don't like freewheeling scissors or hooks, especially when they're left alone with tatting. It might not end well. So I've just made up these little pouches to keep our work safe. Now everything in the kit is handmade by me, including the little totes. We have a couple of shuttles, 20 meters of thread. There's two different colors, so it's 40 meters. A couple of picot gauges and a couple of magic loops. There's also a pattern which I have designed specifically for this kit. So you get a schematic, written instructions, as well as a link to a tat along. So the pattern and tat along are only available with the kit. Size 10 Babylow thread is only available in 50 gram balls. So that's 2 of those. That's 100 grams plus a lot of bulk to try and get through the post. So for that reason, I have wound off 20 meters of 2 colors. I've given all the details of the thread here. The other reason I've done it like this is so you get to try it out. You might not like Babylow thread, and if that's the case, you've only got 40 meters to get through rather than 2 full 50 gram balls. The picot gauges and magic loops follow the same thought process. I love them, I use them all the time. You might not. By including these in your kit, you get to try them out before you go and buy anything. Gauges can be expensive or not. It really does depend on where you buy them. You might decide you want to make your own. Power Pro is around $30, I think, but you get a full reel. That's 137 meters on here. So if you buy a full reel, you decide you don't like making magic loops, I hope you like fishing. Kits are available on my Etsy store. You can buzz me through Facebook or Messenger, and that's it. I hope you love them as much as I do. Bye.